Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a Shein Press On Nails tutorial. And if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please do not forget to like this video, and let's get started. These are what my nails currently look like, old and dusty and crusty, and we do not want that anymore. I do have a more in-depth tutorial on how I take off my press-on nails and just how I take care of my nails afterwards, and I'll just link that video in the description box. But right now I am adding some cream to my cuticles so I can prep for them to be pressed back. And then I'm just taking this cuticle pusher that I got from Amazon, and most of the things I'm going to be mentioning in this video are from Amazon besides the Sheen Nails, so I'll link all those products down below for you guys as well. But I have to push back my cuticles and trim them because my cuticles grow so fast. Without pushing them back, I noticed that the nails kind of would look weird on me, so it's a must-have for me to push back my cuticles and just trim them as well. Now it's time to file my nails, and if you have longer nails, I definitely recommend you guys just clipping them. Since my nails did have some type of length on them, I just wanted to keep them nubby, so I just decided just to file them. But if you literally have like long nails, just cut them. It'll just look way better with your press-on nails. Now I'm going to add this nail prep dehydrator on my nails so the glue can last longer with my nails, and I swear ever since I've been using this, it's been helping my nails to last way longer. Like, my nails rarely pop off. These are the press-on nails I'm going to be using from Shein. They just have a almond shape to them, and I just love this color pastel blue on them with like the half French tip with the glitter. Like, ugh, it's so pretty and girly. But if you guys want to know how I make these last 2 to 3 weeks, or like not even 2 to 3 weeks, like maybe a whole month, make sure you guys check out this video that I have on the screen right here. It will be linked down below, but this video is very popular, so you guys do not want to miss that video if you really want to know how I make my nails last a really long time. Right now, as I'm recording this video, it's only been a week and a half, and my nails are still lasting, and they have not broke on me or chipped yet whatsoever. Next, I'm going to be gluing them down with some Kiss nail glue. This is my favorite nail glue to use. They do not come with any type of nail glue, so you have to get your own nail glue. It only comes with like the little stickers. Right now, these nails are on sale for $1.50, but if you use my coupon code Symphony15, you'll get an extra 15% off. These nails will be $1.28. I believe these nails are perfect for the springtime. I love the shape on them. They're not too long. The colors on them are just very pretty, and I don't know, it just screamed spring to me. Once I'm done applying the nails, I just make sure to wash my hands with cool water just to make sure that the glue doesn't come off or anything. Then I make sure to add some lotion because my hands are feeling extra dry, including my cuticles. You can use any lotion that you may have, but in this video I was just using my new Bath & Body Works lotion. Then lastly, I'm going to be using my favorite cuticle oil. It's by the brand Macy Bell New York, or Macy Bella New York, and this is in the scent vanilla. You guys, this smells so good and is so moisturizing and hydrating for my cuticles. Like, I have the worst cuticles ever. If you guys can relate, let me know in the comments. My cuticles are they're just horrible. Okay, so this definitely heals my cuticles a lot, and it just smells good on top of that. And they come with so many different scents, but vanilla was like my go-to scent. This is the final result of my nails. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.